Hi, I'm Ronnie with AutoZone. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Duralast Power Sport battery. A Duralast Gold AGM battery is ready to ride, but a standard flooded battery like this one requires a little setup. So let's get started. Because we're working with battery acid, it's important to put on gloves and goggles. Battery acid is toxic and corrosive, and you'll want to stay safe while you do this. Inside the box, you should have the battery, battery acid, battery caps, and hardware. The first thing we need to do is remove the seal. Next, remove the plastic cover on the acid pack. And push the acid pack into the battery. Be sure you don't remove the foil. The battery will puncture the foil covers. Now, let the battery fill, which takes about 10 minutes or so. Once it's finished draining, remove the acid pack and dispose of it properly. Don't forget to use the cover on the acid pack to seal the battery. Now that the battery is sealed, you have to charge it. AutoZone has many different battery chargers available, like this one right here. Connect the black negative cable to the negative terminal and the red positive one to the positive terminal. When the charger is green, it's good to go. And that's it. Once you put your battery in your vehicle, run it for at least 15 minutes so it can build a surface charge. And remember, if you have any problems, just head to AutoZone.